How do I get rid of and control hollyhocks? They are taking over my flowers. And this is Terry. So, Joellen, what do you think about that? The old hollyhocks, right?
Hollyhocks.
Wow.
What a beautiful problem to have. Because I like hollyhocks
I do too.
myself.
Yeah.
But obviously he's in an area where his garden is so nice and rich that all the seeds are germinating, and that's going to be the key.
Yeah.
All the seeds are germinating. So a pre-emergent is going to help with controlling that. And then whatever comes up, he can just pull. But yeah, pre-emergents are about the best thing that I can think of to prevent more of them germinating.
Wow. Beautiful problem, Dr. Kelly.
Yeah,
What do you think about that?
I love hollyhocks, and if he has holly, if he wants to keep some, and they just got kind of out of control because they do reseed prolifically.
Yes.
So he could just, cut those flowering stalks back before the seeds start flying every which way and dropping down. So,
Right.
yeah, but long term, the ones that's already there in the soil, pre-merge.
Pre-merge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then I'm like her. I mean, I love hollyhocks.
I mean, I have some at home.
I do too.
They reproduce like crazy. There's no doubt about that.
Might
But,
just let it be a whole hollyhock bed.
could be.
Yeah.
It wants to be, obviously. Right?
Yeah.
It's got the right environment for it. So.
So there you have it, Mr. Terry. Thank you for the question. A pre-emerge. Read and follow the label on that. Okay. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.